Hey, it's Jason again with PTCI with another one of our streaming TV videos. And today we're going to do a little bit different one. We are in YouTube TV and we're going to go on our laptop, and we're going to show you how you can either on a laptop or on a tablet or phone, how you can change around the guide setting to put the channels that you watch the most at the top, and then also some of the other settings that are in your profile. So when we go to our laptop, we go to this far right corner and we check on this little person icon there, and we go down to settings. The first thing that comes up is on membership. You can see that YouTube TV at $49.99 a month is set. There are different add-ons here. Some of the premium channels like Showtime and Stars. If you're a big soccer fan, Fox Soccer Plus is available, and several others as well. And all the way down here, NBA League Pass as well. Then on the second tab for billing, this is an important one to remember. We'll go into here and I'll go over here to update. You know, when you're going to pay for one of these services, one of the things that you need to make sure of is to remember when your credit card is going to expire. You're going to see that happen about every 5 years. So at some point you're going to have to go into this account, if you keep it very long, and change that. So it's got the MasterCard that we have listed with just the 4 digits right there. We go into Manage, and it will show the previous month's transactions. And then over here it says Change Payment Method. Okay? If I click on here, and then I say Update Backup Payment Method, and I can add a credit or debit card right here that can take the place of that one. So that's something that's going to be important to make sure that you do that before your credit card expires. Also, what you can do here is if we go down to the Live tab, you'll see right here on the left, they've got the red circles with a check mark in it. That is where you can add or subtract a channel completely off. Let's say I don't want NBC on here. I can click and it will remove it from my custom view there. Okay? And if there's a channel I want to add back on, I simply click back on that. Now, to move a channel around, let's say I wanted to move this SEC network channel down a few notches. These different lines here, if I move it, I can move it individually several spots that way. And I can move it up, or I can move it down as well. Okay? If I go over to the dots and I click on the dots, it'll allow me to move this channel to the very top as it just did. Okay? It'll also allow me to move it to the very bottom, and then will also allow me to move it up one spot per time as well. Or if I hit move down, it'll move down one spot. So let me put it back up here where it was. I've got to move this here. But I can move a channel around to anywhere I want on there. So in the Profile tab on your computer or on your phone or a tablet, you can delete channels off your list. You can move that guide around to where you can put the channels you watch the most at the top, the ones you really don't watch at all at the bottom, and those that you watch sometime in the middle. So that is again in the profile setting. You can handle your billing, and also you can add on different channels as well to your membership. And once again, that is YouTube TV, and it is your profile on your computer.